Transitions. The bridges of thought in writing. Hello learners. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of analytical writing, using effective transitions between ideas. Transitions are like bridges. They ensure that your reader can move smoothly from one idea to the next, making your writing cohesive and clear. Transitions are words or phrases that help to guide your reader through your writing. They establish logical connections between sentences, paragraphs, and sections of your text. Imagine you're reading a book, and suddenly the characters jump from a beach to a snowy mountain without warning. Confusing, right? That's what it's like reading a piece without transitions. There are several types of transitions, each serving a unique purpose. 1. Additive transitions. These introduce new information or examples. Common words include furthermore, in addition, also, and moreover. 2. Adversative transitions. Used to signal a contrast or opposition. Examples are however, on the other hand, but, and, yet. 3. Causal transitions. These show cause and effect relationships. Think of because, thus, therefore, and hence. 4. Sequential transitions. They help to list out items or points in a sequence. Examples include first, second, then, finally. 1. Be natural. Avoid overusing transitions. If every sentence starts with a transitional word, your writing can seem forced. 2. Vary your choices. Don't rely on the same few transitions. Mix them up for a richer writing experience. 3. Be relevant. Ensure the transition matches the logic of your ideas. For instance, don't use, however, if you're adding more information. It's a contrast transition. 4. Transitions in longer texts. In essays or longer written pieces, sometimes entire sentences or even paragraphs can serve as transitions. They help to hint at what's coming next or recap what has just been discussed. The best way to master transitions is through practice. Here's a quick activity. Take a paragraph from any book or article. Remove all the transitional words. Now, try to fill in appropriate transitions and compare with the original. This exercise will sharpen your ability to recognize and apply transitions effectively. Transitions are an integral tool in ensuring your writing is fluid and easily understood. Remember, they are the bridges guiding your reader from one idea to the next. We hope this video has illuminated their importance and equipped you with the skills to use them proficiently. Keep practicing, and happy writing!